Alright, let's get right into it. For the longest time, the crypto world has been dominated by big names like Bitcoin, Ethereum. Everything else pretty much gets lumped into a category called altcoins. Think of Bitcoin as the original, the gold standard. Altcoins are all the other digital currencies that came after it. Each one tries to do something a little different, a little better, or serve a totally new purpose. They represent thousands of different projects, some with incredible potential, and many that will probably go to zero. It's the Wild West of digital finance, and it's constantly evolving. It's a space where innovation happens at lightning speed, sometimes faster than we can keep up with. Now, on the other side of the tech world, you have artificial intelligence, or AI. This isn't just about robots from the movies anymore. AI is the brain behind so many things we use every single day. It's what recommends your next video on YouTube, helps your phone understand your voice commands, powers complex data analysis for massive companies. AI is essentially about creating smart systems that can learn, adapt, make decisions on their own. It's reshaping industries from healthcare to finance. Its potential is almost limitless. It's getting smarter faster and more integrated into our lives every year. So what happens when you take these two incredibly powerful technologies and smash them together? You get AI-powered crypto coins. This is the latest trend that's really starting to pick up steam as we head into 2025. So you might be wondering, why is this combination of AI and blockchain suddenly so important? Well, it all comes down to synergy. Blockchain technology, at its core, is a fantastic system for recording information in a way that is secure and can't be changed. It's a decentralized ledger, but on its own, it's a bit static. It's a powerful database, but it doesn't really do anything with the data it holds. It just stores it securely. This is where AI comes in to completely change the game. AI needs massive amounts of data to learn and become smarter. Blockchain provides a perfect source of verifiable, tamper-proof data. By integrating AI directly onto the blockchain, developers are creating what are essentially living networks. These networks can analyze transaction patterns. These networks can predict network congestion. These networks can even adjust their own parameters to run more efficiently. For example, an AI could monitor a decentralized finance or DeFi platform. It could automatically adjust interest rates based on real-time supply and demand. This removes the need for a central team to constantly make manual adjustments, making the whole system more autonomous and responsive. It's like giving the blockchain a brain to manage its own operations, which is a massive leap forward. This connection also enhances security in a big way. One of the biggest fears in crypto is a security breach or a hack. Traditional security systems react to threats after they happen, but an AI-powered blockchain can be proactive. It can learn what normal network activity looks like. It can instantly flag any unusual behavior that might signal an attack. It could automatically isolate a suspicious wallet. It could pause smart contract functions before any real damage is done. This level of intelligent, automated security makes the entire ecosystem safer for investors and users, building much-needed trust in a space that has been plagued by high-profile hacks. Ultimately, the reason AI altcoins are becoming so important is that they add a layer of intelligence and automation that was missing from earlier generations of cryptocurrencies. They transform blockchains from simple, passive ledgers into dynamic, active ecosystems. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities: AI-driven marketplaces for data, fully automated, decentralized organizations. It's not just about making crypto trading better, it's about building the infrastructure for a smarter, decentralized internet, often called Web 3. This is the fundamental shift that is getting so many people in the space incredibly excited. Alright, let's talk about some of the actual projects gaining a ton of attention right now. In September 2025, it's important to remember that this space is incredibly new. Things can change fast, but a few names keep popping up. One of the hottest new tokens is called NeuralNet, NNT, a decentralized marketplace for AI models. Think of it like an app store for AI. Developers upload algorithms. Businesses and individuals pay an NNT to use them. No centralized middleman. Another coin on a serious uptrend is CogniChain, CGC. It's focused on on-chain data analysis. Blockchains create massive public data. Making sense of it is hard. CogniChain runs AI agents on-chain to analyze data in real time. Investors can ask, which DeFi protocols are seeing the most sustainable user growth? What's the smart money doing right now? The AI gives verifiable on-chain answers, decentralized market analysis for everyone. Then there's Synapse Protocol, SN. It's focused on interoperability. Right now, different blockchains struggle to talk to each other. Synapse is building an AI-powered bridge to move assets and data between networks. Ethereum, Solana, other blockchains. The AI finds the cheapest route, the AI finds the fastest route, the AI finds the most secure route, constantly learning and optimizing. This is critical infrastructure for scaling crypto. What all these coins have in common is using AI to solve real, tangible problems in crypto. They aren't just buzzwords, they're building foundational technologies as the space matures, creating a new economy for AI services, providing intelligent data insights, connecting disparate networks. 3 distinct glowing logos for neural net, CogniChain, and Synapse Protocol arranged side by side. So what makes these new AI altcoins actually special? It's not just about having AI in the name. The real innovation lies in how they integrate machine learning models directly into their decentralized frameworks. For a project like Neural Net, NNT, the uniqueness comes from its proof of intelligence consensus mechanism. Instead of miners solving random puzzles like in Bitcoin, nodes on the neural net network are rewarded for providing useful computational power to run AI models. The very act of securing the network contributes to a global, decentralized supercomputer for AI tasks. That's an incredibly efficient use of resources. For CogniChain, CGC, the special sauce is autonomous AI agents. These aren't just simple programs, they're sophisticated autonomous pieces of code. They can independently navigate the blockchain, gather data, interact with smart contracts on their own. A user might deploy an agent with CGC tokens and give it a goal: find and invest in new liquidity pools, with an APY over 15%, and a risk score below B+. The agent then operates around the clock to achieve that goal, learning and adapting its strategy based on changing market conditions. Now, Synapse Protocol, SYN, stands out because of its AI-powered routing algorithm. When you want to send funds from one blockchain to another, there are dozens of different bridges and protocols you could use. Each has different fees, different speeds, and different security risks. It's a nightmare to figure out the best path. Synapse's AI does this for you automatically. It analyzes real-time data from all available routes, factoring in network congestion, transaction fees, and bridge liquidity to execute the transfer in the most optimal way possible. This makes cross-chain transactions simple and cheap for the end user, hiding all the complexity behind a single click. If you look at the market trends throughout 2025, it's clear that a significant shift is happening. While Bitcoin and Ethereum still hold their ground as the bedrock of the market, a growing portion of speculative capital and long-term capital is flowing into narratives with strong technological foundations. The AI crypto narrative is leading that charge. We're seeing AI-related tokens consistently outperform the broader market during uptrends and show more resilience during downturns. This suggests that investors see them not just as a fleeting trend, but as a legitimate long-term growth sector within the digital asset space. This popularity is also being driven by a convergence of hype from 2 of the biggest industries in the world: tech and finance. Every major tech company is pouring billions into AI development, making it a household term. As people become more familiar and comfortable with AI, they are more likely to understand and invest in crypto projects that leverage it. The mainstream media is picking up on this, and with every headline about a new AI breakthrough, interest in AI-related crypto projects seems to get another boost. It's a powerful feedback loop that is fueling their rise in popularity. Looking ahead, the future for AI altcoins looks incredibly promising, and for good reason. As these platforms mature, they will become the foundational layer for the next generation of decentralized applications, or dApps. Imagine AI-managed insurance protocols that automatically process claims using Oracle data, or decentralized social media platforms that use AI to curate content without biased, centralized algorithms. The use cases are practically endless. We are still in the very early innings of this revolution, similar to where the internet was in the late 1990s.